Meantime, check out the Intel effect on the global chip stocks. A rougher day across the board. Even Nvidia shares down by 3.5%. Taiwan Semiconductor off by more than 4%. So same story with Samsung Electronics. Let's get over to Stephanie Link right now and try and get some reaction from this. She is the chief investment strategist and portfolio manager at Hightower Advisors, also a CNBC contributor. And Steph, what do we think here? This is pretty horrific news for Intel, but it's even spreading out beyond that.
Yeah, no, it's really bad. Intel, I mean, the expectations were low headed into the quarter. The stock was down 42% year to date, but this was a disaster. Not only was the quarter a disaster in terms of missing revenues, earnings, and gross margins, the guidance for gross margins is 780 basis points below expectations. I had to take a double take when I saw those numbers yesterday. And of course, total revenues, $1.4 billion below expectations as well. So, look, they're losing market share. They missed the AI cycle. It's going to take a long time for their new strategy to take hold. So I almost feel like wake me up in 2026 and we'll take a look at it, because I think it's just going to take a really long time for them to fix process and to bring manufacturing in-house. These things take a long, long time. So unfortunately, it is spreading to some of the other semiconductor, semi-cap equipment companies. I own Lam Research. It was down 10% yesterday, and I added to it. I will add to it again when I can today or on Monday, because I think that memory is still a very important part in AI. You need 6 times the memory for AI. And Lam Research just reported a really good number where they slightly raised, gross margins are expanding. So I'm using some of this dislocation to find opportunities elsewhere.
I think, Steph, you can see it there. I was trying to figure out when we've been at these levels before, and there, I get 2011 is what I can look at, but that's not good for shareholders. That's, you have to go back. The 10-year chart doesn't include a 23 print anywhere on a 10-year chart.
No. So. And you know what, Joe? Since they suspended the dividend, now portfolio managers that have a dividend mandate, they're forced to sell. So not only are you selling because of the bad fundamentals, but now you're forced to sell because it doesn't have a dividend. So you get the double whammy.
It wasn't much of a yield. I tried to figure out the yield. It's already suspended. It was not, but probably the yield was getting better and better, I guess, as the stock went down. What was it? Was it 1% or something, or wasn't much?
Yeah, it's small, but it's an excuse when you implement a dividend. It's an excuse for PMs to take a look at it anyway. Now they got to sell it.
Steph, I don't know if you can, if you're in a position to answer this, but does this make the investment? I mean, they were part of the CHIPS Act. That was something good for Intel to produce some things here and new foundries, things like that. Was that a good investment? Will the money help them? Should the money have gone to a more viable chip company or competitor? Is there anyone else that could do the same thing that Intel was going to do domestically? I just wonder. It doesn't look like a great investment.
It's not a great investment right now. But I think by 2030, that they will be better positioned. But why am I waiting now in 2024 for a return in 2030? And in the meantime, AMD is eating their lunch, and NVIDIA is certainly taking over the world. And there are so many other companies out there that are expanding and going to continue to take shares. So it's just so unclear right now. I usually like when stocks blow up, right? Like, I love to find these kinds of ideas, but they just miss the mark. They're server-centric data centers.
Not when you're holding.
I'm sorry?
Not when you got a huge position.
That's true.
What does this mean? Yes. I mean, was this a miss on Gelsinger's watch? Is this something that started before him and didn't get fixed? You're going to expect some recriminations that start circling.
Yeah. Way before, Becky, way before Gelsinger. However, this is on his watch. I mean, he could have come in when he came into the company and really just restructured and cut massive costs and really take the bull by the horns, and he didn't. And so, therefore, now you have to place blame on him, but the strategy was not put in place for anything AI many, many years ago, which you had to do to actually start to see the benefits today.